Don't follow me, follow God. I'm not an idol. Still walk around with my peace and a couple disciples. Man, I'm already saved. I'm just quoting the Bible. All that work that I was putting in, I was moving in silence. Hit a backflip off this bitch, go viral. Smoking on that holy shit, I put that on the Bible. How you gon' switch up on me? You was in beside me. Long as my skin come blunt, I'm yelling stop the violence. Hold a cookie at home, I'm feeling like a lion. Chopper go wherever I go, I'm trying to break the silence. Hate that you was gone too soon, couldn't send my condolences. Why we just can't have shit out like a couple of bonus. I had fun with you, baby, for these couple of moments. Let us try to take over the game, they gon' try to clone us. Plus I'm back here in the road, they gotta give me bonus. Bitch, I'm back here in the road, they gotta, ayy, hold up. Nigga, fuck all that bullshit. Out of space in the space coupe, I ain't on bullshit, I'm going up. Ayy, I'm going out of space. If your bitch hop up on my dick, she going out of space. If this bitch come up off my hip, it's going through your face. I'm on money mission. If you ain't grinding, you on a dummy mission. The AR stuck to the top like a car collision. I heard water whipping, yeah. Boy, I'm hella different. I don't feel the love. Sick of all the drugs. Put my cell phone.
I became the plug. I became a drug.
Sipping on some mud, got out the mud. Really feeling buzz. I don't feel the love. You can't get a hug, you can't get a slug. Put my cell phone, nigga, little nigga.